Hello and welcome back to the world of mathematics. So, we were discussing class 5, chapter number 6, fractions. So, let's continue with the chapter. So, in today's video, we are going to discuss subtracting mixed numbers. Let's see how we can subtract the mixed numbers. Let's take an example. We have to subtract 7 minus 1 3 by 6. So first step is to change to improper fraction. That means mixed fraction को improper fraction में convert करेंगे. 7 minus 1 3 by 6. That means 6 into 1 is 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 by 6 हमारा change करके आ गया. So now what we have to do, 7 upon 1 minus 9 by 6. So let's see how we are going to do. So our step 2 will be, we have to change to equivalent fractions. That means 7 by 1 and 9 by 6 दोनों unlike fractions हैं. First we are going to convert it into like fractions and then we are going to subtract it. So जब हम 7 by 1 को convert करेंगे we will get 42 by 6 एंड जब हम 9 by 6 को कन्वर्ट करेंगे, ये तो ऑलरेडी विद डिनोमिनेटर 6 है, सो इट विल रिमेन सेम, दैट इज 9 by 6 एंड 42 minus 9 is 33 and 6 as it is, so 33 by 6 is our answer. We can see we can convert it into mixed fraction because it is improper fraction. Remember one thing, mixed fraction में convert करने से पहले always convert the fraction into lowest form. That is 33 by 6 में क्या common है, दोनों ही हमारे 3 के टेबल में आ रहे हैं. So what we are going to do, 33 divided by 3 and 6 divided by 3. 33 divided by 3 will be 11 and 6 divided by 3 will be 2. So 11 by 2 is in the lowest form and now we are going to convert it into mixed fraction, that is 5 1 by 2. I hope this is clear to you. Let's see one more thing. Before you change an improper fraction to the mixed fraction, first change it into the lowest term. This is important. So our answer will be 7 minus 13 by 6, that is 5 1 by 2. Next is your exercise 6G given on your page number 91. So we are going to discuss the first question. First question, first part, 3 5 by 6 minus 1 3 by 6. Again first हम इसे improper fraction में convert करेंगे. फर्स्ट हम इसे इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, दैट इज 3 5 by 6 को कन्वर्ट करा 23 by 6 एंड 1 3 by 6 को कन्वर्ट करा, वी विल गेट इज 9 by 6 एंड 23 minus 9 is 14 by 6. नाउ वी कैन सी 14 by 6 इज नॉट इन द लोएस्ट फॉर्म, तो हम इसे लोएस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, दैट इज कॉमन फैक्टर 2 को डिवाइड करके एंड वी विल गेट आवर आंसर एज 7 by 3. 7 by 3 अगेन हमारी improper fraction है, we will convert it into mixed fraction, that is 2 1 by 3. I hope this is clear to you. Let's see B part. B part is 7 4 by 5 minus 2 3 by 5. Again procedure will remain the same. पहले हम improper fraction में convert करेंगे, that is 13 by 5 minus 39 by 5 minus 13 by 5 and then we are going to subtract it and we will get 26 by 5. Now 26 by 5 is again our improper fraction but ये already lowest form में है, so हम इसे mixed fraction में convert कर देंगे, that is 5 1 by 5. Let's see few more questions. Let's see C part. C part again we have 9 3 by 7 minus 2 by 7, right? First we are going to convert it into improper fraction, that is 66 by 7 minus 2 by 7, that will be 64 by 7. Now we can again see 64 by 7 is again in the lowest form but ये improper fraction है, so we will convert it into mixed fraction, that is 9 1 by 7. Let's see one more part, that is D part, 4 1 by 2 minus 2 3 by 5. So 4 1 by 2 convert करेंगे, it will be 9 by 2 and 2 3 by 5 will be 13 by 5 and LCM of 2 and 5 will be 10. So we are going to convert it into equivalent fraction, that means हम 10 डिनोमिनेटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे दोनों फ्रैक्शंस को, 2 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें 9 को भी 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा एंड वी विल गेट 45 by 10. सिमिलरली 13 by 5 को कन्वर्ट करेंगे, वी विल गेट 26 by 10. Now we are going to subtract both the numbers, that is 45 by 10 minus 26 by 10 will be 19 by 10. It is already in the lowest form, so we will directly convert it into the mixed fraction. I hope I am clear. So the next part is E part, that is 6 3 by 4 minus 2 1 by 2. So first we are going to convert it into improper fractions. It will be 27 by 4 minus 5 by 2. And दोनों ही हमारी unlike fractions है, so we are going to convert it into like fractions. So LCM of 4 and 2 will be 4. So 27 by 4 तो ऑलरेडी हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर 4 है, सो इट विल रिमेन एज इट इज. एंड 5 by 2 it is with the denominator 2, so we are going to convert it with the denominator 4 and we will get 10 by 4. So now we are going to subtract 27 by 4 minus 10 by 4, that is 17 by 4, and it will be equal to 4 1 by 4. I hope I am clear. Let's take next part, that is 5 minus 4 1 by 3. 5 के नीचे कोई भी डिनोमिनेटर नहीं है, that means it has 1, and when we are going to convert 4 1 by 3 in improper fraction we will get 13 by 3. Again दोनों हमारी improper fractions है, we are going to convert. Again दोनों हमारी unlike fractions है, we are going to convert it into like fraction. So LCM of 1 and 3 will be 3. 5 by 1, when we will convert it into denominator with 3, we will get 15 by 3, and 13 by 3 तो already with denominator 3 है, so it will remain 13 by 3 only, and 15 minus 13 by 3 will be 2 by 3, so that will be our answer. So your home task is you have to do exercise 6G, question number 1, remaining parts in your notebooks. Till then, stay happy, take care, stay blessed, and thank you so much.